Welcome back to Review Central. Today we're checking out something that isn't quite released, but we got our hands on it, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts and details about the new headset from EKSA called the S30. The S30 is currently available on Kickstarter. You can learn more from the links in the comment and description. You can get in on the early bird discount if you like. The video is sponsored by EKSA, and they sent over the S30 for us to check out. Innovative design focuses on comfort using open ear and advanced noise canceling technology. They can cancel out 99.9% of distractions, loud noises from chaotic work environment around you, helping you become more productive and more efficient. Also, this ensures that your voice reaches whoever you're talking to as well. This is great if you got workers, or this is great in your personal life. Since this is an open ear design, it's safe to wear for extended periods of time. This set will allow extra long working hours, 70 hours or more on the battery, getting you through those long work, study sessions, or phone calls. You get a 90-foot long wireless connection through Bluetooth 5.3, giving you very seamless experience with this new headset. I especially like this when I'm working outside. I can leave my phone and just have the headset on. The sound of the S30 is enhanced with tube bass technology that helps to add relevant resonance to your audio, giving your music and voice more depth and clarity. The one-button private mode helps to ensure the listener is given a private listening experience for added privacy and security. With a simple touch, you can activate your private mode for sensitive conversations. On top of being an all-around very capable headset, the S30 from EKSA also has an IPX5 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry if you get caught in the rain or if you're sweating your head off at work. You can check out the Kickstarter links if you want to try to get an early deal on the headset. Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget, you can subscribe for free if you haven't, and remember to check the bell icon so that when I post new videos, you can be the first one to get the deal.